are a delegation of the core committee of Enough is Enough movement. And we had been given an appointment by the governor to meet him. Today was very significant because it is World Environment Day. And our entire movement is concerned about the environment of Goa, protection of our agricultural fields, our tenanted lands. We are disturbed and opposed to this hill cutting which is destroying our areas, flooding of our fields and so on. Now we gave the governor our charter of demands, and we went through all the 10 points of the charter of demands with him. And he is very sympathetic on the environment issue. He said without the cooperation of people and government to protect the environment, there will be nothing left after several years. So he is very much concerned about the environment issue. He agreed with us on the issues that we have raised. We have asked him to convey our concerns to the government, to call a meeting, call the assembly to discuss the bill which the opposition leaders had, the opposition members had given to the government at the last assembly session. That session was cut short by 10 days. The bill was not discussed, and we explained to him that the issues that we have raised in our charter, most of them are in that bill. It's called the Protection of Agricultural Lands Bill. He said we have asked him to convey to the government that it needs to be discussed and considered by the government. We also raised the issue of the casinos in the Mandovi, and that there is pollution, that it is not the kind of culture which we have in Goa to have these casinos. And he is very much supportive of the issue that we raised regarding the casinos. He said that yes, these are issues which casinos which should not be in the place where they are, and has promised to convey our information. He has said that he will look at the information, and we discussed it, and we hope that he will convey it to the government, because our main demand is that the assembly should be called and discussed, the bill discussed. Want to say?
Sir.
या पयली स्वातेर वर्ल्ड एनवायरमेंट डेयाचे सगळे इनफ इज इनफ मुवमेंटाचे वतीन सगळ्या गोंयकारांक आमची परबी, आणि ह्या दिसाक ताणें आमकां आपयलें म्हणून चड बरें जालें. आनीक आमकां ताणें खूबच टायम दिलो, म्हणजे आमकां एक्चुअली जो आमी टायम अशें चिंतून गेल्ले कमी आसतलो म्हणून, पण ताणें ईच एंड एवरी पॉयंटाचेर आमचे आयकून घेतले, आपले कमेंट्स घातले, तांची कांय कॉन्स्टिट्युशना बद्दल उलयले, कॉन्स्टिट्युशनाच्या मर्यादेन कितें जाता तें आपूण करतले अशें सांगलां ताणें. आनीक जशें आमचे एडवोकेट नॉर्मान सांगला, ही वॉज सिंपथेटीक टू द डिमांड्स वी हॅव प्लेस, पर्टिक्युलरली रिलेटिंग टू कजिनोज. आनीक बरेचशें इन्फॉर्मेशन तांकां आसा ह्या विशया बद्दल, ह्या मुवमेंटा बद्दल सगळें तांकां इन्फॉर्मेशन आसा. इज वेल ब्रीफ्ड ऑन द सब्जेक्ट, आनी आमी आतां फक्त एक होप दवरता की ही वील हॅव अ डिस्कशन विथ दी चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑन ऑल द इश्यूज रेज, आनीक कितें तरी एक मार्ग काडटले म्हणून. कित्याक जेन्ना पब्लीक जे आमी आनी जेन्ना गव्हर्नमेंट ऑथॉरिटीज, कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल ऑथॉरिटीज लायक गव्हर्नर एकाच पेजीर आसता, तेन्ना हें सोंपें जावपाक जाय आमचे अदमासान. तर म्हाका दिसता की येता त्या दिसां भितर हें सगळें थाऱ्यार पडटलें अशी आशा दवरून आमी भायर सरले.
असेंब्ली गव्हर्नरान कितें सांगलें तुमकां? असेंब्ली सेशन घे म्हटलें तुमी, सो रिप्लाय कितें?
He's a constitutional authority, and he has got certain powers and he has certain limitations. He cannot call the assembly, but we asked him that you please place before the government, inform the government that the Enough is Enough committee has come to meet you, and we want this to be done. He also said you should also make your representation to government, and in that sense we hope that he will speak to government and tell them to consider the issues that we have raised.
ताणें सांगला पळय, what he has said is बिझनेस एडवायझरी कमिटी आसा, मागीर
स्पीकर
आसा, तांचे कडेन भासाभास करपाक शकता. म्हणजे फायनली कितें आहा, गव्हर्नमेंटान जो पर्यंत तांकां ऑफिशियली कळयना की टू कॉल द हाऊस, तशें जायना. म्हणजे दीज आर द रुल्स. पण मोरल इन्फ्लुएन्स ही कॅन ऑलवेज एक्झर्ट ऑन द गव्हर्नर. मॅडमीन ताका परत परत सांगला यूज युअर मोरल ऑथॉरिटी टू इन्फ्लुएन्स दिस गव्हर्मेंट अँड ही इज अग्रिएबल टू दॅट लेट अस सी.
सो TCP मिनिस्टरान हिल कटिंग एक अप टू 1 crore फायन घालता म्हणून सांगलें कितें म्हणटा?
See, that is not an issue which has come up. Just saying that you will impose big fines on people is not going to solve the issue, because big builders are ready to pay big fines. After all, they will make bigger money out of it. So, fines is not the issue. The problem is the conversion of the lands and the official permissions that are being given by town planning for cutting of the hills based on contour plans which are not in accordance with the Surveyor General of India's plans. Our demand is that the Surveyor General of India's plans, which are the official plans for all over India, that should govern hill cutting. Second, CTP, the Chief Town Planner, cannot decide when to give and when not to give. There are no rules for hill cutting. That is our demand, that rules have to be framed and follow strictly the Surveyor General of India's plans. Don't let private engineers, architects, builders bring plans and on the basis of those plans you grant. So we are also concerned with the hill cutting which government is giving officially, not only the illegal hill cutting which is done. And illegal hill cutting, as I said, if there are big projects like this Karapur project where there are 50 hectares and more, it's on a plateau, there is a hillside all over. Why will they not pay a fine? So the fines, money is not what we want. We want protection of our land. We are not concerned with how much fine. 10,000 fine is not enough, so you make it, raise it up to 1 crore. They have to be FIRs filed. Take legal action also, not just money. Money does not solve everything. Prosecute them.
Do you welcome the notification which 3 crores per meter land which he had put into NDZ?
See, the issue of putting something into NDZ is not a concept which is in the Town Planning Act. There is no concept of NDZ. It is not a concept in the regional plan also. So you simply take some land which is already protected, mangroves, sand dunes, these are already protected by law. And then you simply add that and you say now this will be NDZ. But it is already a no development zone. It's simply a face-saving kind of thing to counter our concerns about conversion of agricultural lands into development zones.
Ma'am, but minister is saying that his government has not given any permission regarding this hill cutting and land conservation. And who had given this permission then?
My action घेवपाक जाय. See, if his government has not given, then there has to be action. Action is prosecution. 17A very clearly says it is a cognizable offence. Jenna the cognizable offence asta, what should follow immediately is an FIR, even leading to arrest of that person, seizure of all the machinery involved, confiscation of all that machinery that is involved, and prosecution, which will eventually lead to their conviction and sentence. Jailin ताणे time काडपाक जाय अशें जायना. अरे परमिशन जर दिवंक ना जाल्यार इट इज अ रायट केस फॉर यू टू टेक एक्शन. आणि सेकंडली तुम्ही विचारला तो पॉइंट पॉलिटिकली उलयतलो जाल्यार सुद्धा जर तो 1 crore फान घालपाक जाय म्हणटा न्हू जाल्यार समवेर इनफ इज इनफ मुवमेंटाचो जो आता चळवळीचो जो इफेक्ट आसा तो ताचेर मनाचेर बसला अशें आमी एडमीट करचें पडटलें. कित्याक ताजें रिएक्शन अशें पयलीं येनासलें. तो बरो मनीस आशिल्लो एका म्हणजे आसा तो अजून ताका दिसता आसतलें आतां की इट इज इनफ आपण पयलीं कितें पळय केलां तें आतां सुदारया, चेंज करया, बट नॉट इन द वे दॅट ओके आमी इतले एनडीझेडान हाडटले. मॅडम हेज क्लियरली टोल्ड यू एनडीझेडान कितें हाडटले जे एनडीझेडान आसा. एनडीझेड म्हणटा तो कॉन्सेप्ट कायद्यान खंय ना तसो पळोवपाक गेल्यार, पण जे ऑलरेडी प्रोटेक्टेड आसा ते एनडीझेडान हाडपाक कांय व्हडली गरज पडना बिकॉज अदर लॉज प्रोटेक्ट दॅट कायंड ऑफ लँड झोन्स. सो इतलें सांगून आमी बरी जाली म्हणटा. पळोवया कितें जाता.
One photo, ma'am.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.